Great leaders are made and not born. For this reason, the Nigerian Army on Tuesday began the maiden transformational leadership workshop for mid-level officers and soldiers with the theme Lead, Follow or Get Out of the Way. The event, which featured senior officers, serving and retired, and military leaders, aims at inculcating in the participants the Nigerian values and the willingness to perform assigned duties.
This workshop will expose participants to a number of things in Nigeria and about Nigeria that they can take pride in, thus clarifying the imperatives of patriotic citizenship and national loyalty, even in the face of globalization and emerging technologies. It will interrogate the understanding of service, sacrifice, and honor among the participants and provide them with worthy examples to emulate.
Speaking at the event, the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Tuko Buratai, stressed the need to train the future leaders of the Nigerian Army.
The Army Headquarters Department of Army Transformation and Innovation, the Transformational Leadership Workshop is clearly and explicitly designed to teach, preach transformational leadership values to the next generation of Nigerian Army officers and soldiers. It will also establish a platform for subsequent mentoring of participants after the workshop. Hence, the theme has been aptly chosen as Lead, Follow, or Get Out of the Way.
The Army Chief went further to state that the challenges experienced in the operation of the Nigerian Army in recent times are due to unwillingness to carry out assigned duties by those at the front lines.
It is unfortunate, but the truth is that almost every setback in the Nigerian Army has had in our operations in recent times can be traced to insufficient willingness to perform assigned tasks, or simply insufficient commitment to a common national military cause by those at the front lines.
The Army Chief enjoined all the participants to pay rapt attention and ensure that the objective of the workshop is achieved. Uchechi Lemowa, TVN News, Abuja.